PhilHealth claims documentation. Clinical, ano ito? Signs and symptoms, history of present illness, clinical management, drugs and medicines, okay? OR Tech, TPR sheet, RN notes. Non-clinical, patient demographics, employer details, MDR, okay? So signature. And you have the financial documentation. Charge capture, PF, billing statement, senior citizen statement of account. So ganun lang o. Okay? The problem is, incomplete or inconsistent yung data natin. Okay. Principle number 7. Poor documentation, no payment. Okay? So, connected ito sa number 6. Your claims will be returned, your claims will be denied, or your claims will be referred to legal. Or, basically, no payment or delayed payment. Okay. Done deal na tayo dyan. Okay? That's basically very, very simple. Number 8. Ito po. Claims processing is basically teamwork. So if you try to check, okay, the image, okay, claims processing is teamwork because it involves so many processes and so many people in the hospital. In my understanding, it involves more than 50% of the employees. If one of the office or if a group of people will not function, your claims will be in trouble. So you need to work as one. Okay? Because the concept, as we said, claims is not the claims office. It involves multiple offices, it involves so many people, and it will involve so many shifts. If the admitting people are so lousy, your claims will be returned. If your doctors are untrained, your claims will be denied. If your medical records will not produce accurate codes, your claim will be in trouble. Yung billing ho ninyo, if they cannot provide accurate charges or inconsistent po ang mga data ng SOA versus other forms, your claims will not be paid. If your people are good at admitting, you've got the best doctors, the documentation was right, the billing and the SOA was perfect, the claims were intact, but you are unable to transmit it to PhilHealth properly, everything is useless. You will not be paid. Okay? So the claims blueprint is an interaction of so many offices and so many people. If you want your claims to be paid, basically, if you want to make money, okay, you need to have teamwork. It's as simple as that. Okay? Now, question, naintindihan ba ho ninyo ang claims principle? Type teamwork if naintindihan po ninyo. Type no if hindi ho ninyo naintindihan. Okay, may I know? Teamwork, thank you, Doktora. Thank you very much. Thank you. It's all about teamwork. Okay? Teamwork, 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 teamwork. Okay. Wow, ang ganda pakinggan. Teamwork. Question, medyo commercial. Okay? May teamwork sa inyo? Lagyan nyo lang ng yes kung meron, no, question mark, probably. May I know? Meron bang teamwork sa inyo? May I know? Okay? Yes kung meron. No kung sa tingin nyo, okay. Oh, okay, yes. Teamwork, yes. Okay, thank you. Okay. Teamwork. Okay. What about it? Okay. Teamwork, we have yes, 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 yes. If by teamwork, so may pera. Okay? Sige. That's good. Let us proceed. Thank you po. Okay, we have now claims principle number 9. Okay. Pardon ho, my dog. Baka may Shopee. Okay. So, let's proceed to claims principle number 9. Okay. So, si PhilHealth po will do a routine medical audit. It's part of their task. Kung hindi nila gagawin yan, okay, meron hong maniningil. So, yung medical audit ho, part ng trabaho nila yan. Okay? It is a process that evaluates the efficiency. Number 1, efficiency. Number 2, they will evaluate appropriateness. Okay? Number 3, they will evaluate the medical necessity. Okay? Yung tatlong yan, paulit-ulit ho yan. Okay? Efficiency, appropriateness, and necessity. Okay? So, paulit-ulit yan. Yung audit, anong audit yan? Prepayment audit, that's the CF4, or the post-audit. Okay? After payment, your claim will be audited. So, the auditing drama has been there ever since. In case type Z, you have pre-authorization. Cataract, pre-authorization. So, profiling ho ng hospitals and doctors, okay, kasama yan. Okay. So, claims principle number 9, audit, that is very, very routine. Okay?